Okay, good morning and welcome to my presentation. I am going to present about the persistent problem that has been there in my organization. The persistent problem that we have been experiencing in our organization is a frequent breakdown of the training workshop tools and the machines, which has been due to irregular maintenance, which leads to downtime and also compromise to learning outcomes. I have come up with alternative solution, which involves developing a preventive maintenance schedule, which can be either monthly or it can be after 3 to 4 months. Then I have also come with another alternative solution, which is outsourcing maintenance to third party so that they can be coming regularly to make sure the equipments are maintained regularly. Another way is to train the internal staff so that they can be able to do the routine maintenance. Then the potential advantage of the alternative solution, number one, will be to reduce the equipment failures and long-term and save on the long-term costs. And then another potential advantage is to have access to expert services with minimal trainings. And then another way is to build the internal capacity so that they can also know how to maintain the equipment to avoid the breakages. The potential disadvantages with this is that number one, it will require initial investment costs, which could be high. It could also be costly over time due to the regular maintenance, and also it requires training on the equipment, which may slow down the operations of the equipment temporarily. The potential consequences of this plan, number one, there will be consistent equipment functionality and better learning experiences, and there will be no breakdowns. Another thing is that dependency on vendors and budget constraints due to the outsourcing of the external experts to do the maintenance. Another potential consequence is that there will be greater institutional control, but longer implementation timeline. Why this is the best alternative? This is because it will develop a preventive maintenance schedule integrated into asset records and staff responsibility. Since this thing will be done over time, we will have a good maintenance schedule, and it will also help us to know when there is a potential breakage. Reasons why I chose this alternative solution, number one is the factor of cost efficiency over time. Over time, since the equipment will be well maintained, it will ensure that there will be efficiency. Number two, there will be enhanced asset management in such that when the equipment are regularly maintained, you'll find that they are better managed. And then number three, it's that there will be a predictable and systematic approach, since now there will be a schedule on the maintenance. And lastly, it promotes accountability in such that when we train the internal capacity, we know that the maintenance is under somebody, and therefore there will be accountability. Thank you, and that's the presentation.